Welcome back to Mohsin Digital House. Today we're going to show you how to export a transparent video from After Effects. As you can see on the screen, we're using the same project from our previous video where we removed the green screen from a video. Now we're going to take it to the next level by exporting this video with a transparent background. To demonstrate that the video is indeed transparent, let's add a new solid layer to the composition. I'll click on the New button, select Solid, and choose a soft color. Now, let's move this solid layer behind our video layer. As you can see, the video is now on top of the colored solid layer. If the video wasn't transparent, we would see a black background instead. Now, let's move on to exporting our transparent video. To do this, go to Composition, then Add to Render Queue. Then click on Output Module. In the Format options, make sure to select QuickTime. Then click on Channels and select RGB plus Alpha. This will ensure that our video is exported with a transparent background. That's it. With these simple steps, you can export a transparent video from After Effects. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more video editing tutorials.